Vegan Food Reviews, the Modern Vegan, Detroit. So starting off with a menu, I had no idea that they had multiple menus with so many options. They have a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, a weekend menu, and all the menus have a ton of different options. I started off with the Vegas Bella smoothie, which is strawberries, raspberry, and peanut butter, and I honestly probably could have got another one. The first food item to come to the table was the BBQ Brisket Mac and Cheese. And that's gonna be barbecue steak strips, coleslaw, TMV sauce, ranch, and green onion.
Plate number 2.
Thank you. Damn, that bitch big. That's crazy.
Extra napkins as well. Anything else I can get you?
That's it. I appreciate you.
Of course, you're welcome.
I did enjoy the barbecue brisket mac and cheese. The barbecue sauce was good, the steak was good, the way the rest of the ingredients came together, everything worked out good. What I will say is though, I've had much better vegan mac and cheese. I know that Modern Vegan is known for their burgers, so I had to try one, and I got the Mac Attack. A double Impossible patty, cheddar, lettuce, onions, mayo, pickles, Thousand Island dressing, and a sesame seed bun. Now, one of the reasons I wanted to get the Mac Attack is because I've had several other vegan Big Macs before, and I can have something to compare it to. And no, the camera did not add 10 pounds. This is a huge burger. So when it comes to the Mac Attack, like I just said a moment ago, I've had several other vegan Big Macs. So when it came to this one in particular, I kind of felt like it just came off an assembly line. It was a little under-seasoned and just put together in order. You know, put the pickles on there, put the lettuce on there, put the buns on there. That's okay, that's it, that's how it goes. It was cool, but since I've had other Big Macs that are very, very good, I probably would have enjoyed it more if I haven't had so many that were so good already. But I will say, if you're not vegan or you haven't had a vegan Big Mac, you can definitely come down here and try this and enjoy it.
Everything's great. Can I get a box or two? Because this is
Oh yeah, it's definitely filling.
Man.
So 2 boxes probably?
Yeah.
Okay, absolutely.
Big.
So I brought you a bag to put them in as well.
All right.
So were we thinking about dessert?
No, we are not.
Too full? That's
Yes.
okay.
No, we good.
Are we ready for the bill?
Yep, that'll work. Appreciate you.
And finally, here we go with the bill. For the smoothie and the 2 plates that I got, $75. Boy, I could take that $75 to so many other different vegan restaurants and get much better food and get so much more food. So that's just my take on things. It's the Vegan Foodie, man. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.